What's the meaning of adoptive? Adoptive. 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 The term adoptive refers to the act of legally taking on a child who is not one's biological offspring and raising them as one's own. This process is typically done through adoption agencies or court proceedings. The result of adopting a child involves granting legal custody, parental rights and responsibilities to the adoptive parents. Adopting families provide stability, love and care to children who may have experienced loss and trauma in their lives, giving them an opportunity for a better future. Adoption is a selfless act that creates a strong bond between the adoptive family and the child.